This is a really cute look. Gee. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is something very exciting for me. I'm gonna be trying my first wig. I've never worn a wig before and I got it on sale for 20 bucks at my local beauty supply store. So I was like, you know what? Let's just give it a try. So I also got wig caps because I don't know much about wigs, but I know you need to wear a wig cap. So I have those. And the wig that I bought is the Freetress Equal Lacefront. It is a lace front wig with an invisible L part. And this is in the style Atalya, I think. This is what it looks like on the box. And this is in the color 1B, which is like a natural dark brown. It also came in other colors, but I was a bit scared to try a new color in case it looked bad. So I just got 1B because that's like a normal color. Usually when I buy hair for like braids and stuff, I get a 2. So 1B is not too far off. And I'm really, really excited about this. It's curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. So it means I can style it if I need to, but I kind of like the waves on it. It doesn't really say what kind of wave it is. So this is what the actual wig looks like. It's different than how it looks on the box. On the box it's like a lot of a loose wave, but then when you take it out it's kind of got some curls to it, which I like, and I definitely need to brush those because they're separated and I don't like that. I don't want them to look like string, you know? Kind of looks like Squidward's tentacles. So yeah, this is what it looks like. The inside of the wig cap, I know a few people that wear wigs, so I kind of know things, but not really. So in here, you can see all the tracks, but it does have it does have 3 clips on the inside. So this is the part, the L part. There's a clip on the right side, a clip on the left side, and then one in the back to go where the nape of your neck is. And then since it is a lace front, it doesn't have a lot of lace. It's literally like the smallest amount of lace possible. But this lace does look pretty dark for me, so I'm probably gonna have to use makeup to cover that. Like, if you look at it on my hand, it looks more brown and red. But the parting space is decent, and it's supposed to be a side part. It looks cute. I'm excited. The color is nice. The hair itself has a slight tangle because it is synthetic, but it's nothing serious. Like, you can still run your fingers through it. And she's cute. To prep my hair for the wig, I am starting on freshly washed hair. All I have in here is the leave-in conditioner and argan oil because my hair tends to get pretty dry. So in order to put the wig on and make it lay flat, I am going to attempt to braid my own hair. Keep in mind, I am not a braider. I don't know how to cornrow. So what I've seen some people on YouTube do is just split their hair down the middle and braid 2 rough braids on the side. So we'll see how that goes. I do have my spray bottle and a rat tail comb just to make my parting even. My comb is broken, but that's okay. And then again, I have a detangling brush so I can comb out my own hair. So I'm gonna start by parting it down the middle. This parting will likely not be even. That's okay. It'll be close enough because we're just gonna put the wig cap on after. So yeah. And now we're gonna brush it. My hair is pretty thin and my head is not spectacularly large, so I feel like if I just lay it flat and put it in the 2 braids under the wig cap. Hopefully the wig will lay flat without any weird bumps. All right, hair is parted and brushed unevenly. Now I'm going to attempt to braid it. There's one. I'm gonna leave this little braidy braid over here while I do this side quickly. All right, let's pretend these are even. This is a really cute look. Jeez. Now that our doo-doo braids are in, we're just gonna put on a wig cap. Like I said, I have these ones. This is a pack of 2, and they are, I guess, beige. They're like a natural scalp color, I suppose. This is what the wig cap looks like. Doesn't really match my skin, but that's okay because it's just going under the wig. So what I saw Raven Elise do on YouTube was do these doo-doo braids and then kind of tuck them in the back and put the wig cap over. So we're gonna try and do that in one swift motion. It might not be very swift, but we'll see. Kind of tie them together so they're low in the back. And then I'm gonna start my wig cap from the back. Cute. All right, I'm gonna be doing a lazy install, so I'm not really gonna try to keep it in for a couple of days. Just wanna see if I can do it. So I'm gonna pull my wig cap back so that about an inch of my hairline is still showing. And then I'm gonna try on the wig to see where I need to cut the lace. All right, now the wig can stretch to fit my head. And now we're going to attempt to put it on. I actually don't know which way you're supposed to put on a wig. Like, does it go front first, back first? I don't really know. We're about to find out. I'm gonna try back first. I will say the wig fits a bit snug, but like my head is pretty small. Doesn't really feel like it's gonna fall off my head, but yeah. So our doo-doo braids worked. There's no weird lumps or bumps, so that's good. And let's check out this lace. All right, so the part is a little bit small, but it's quite deep. Like it goes all the way back here, just like halfway through my head. Like I said, the lace is a bit dark for my skin, so I'm gonna have to cut that and then perhaps put some concealer or powder on top of the part. Let's check out the sides. Again, the lace, quite dark, but you can see my edges under there. I could easily blend them with the wig. Front of the hair keeps getting caught under the lace. Not bad. even without cutting the lace, it's still pretty cute. I'm not gonna lie. I suppose we'll cut the lace now. All right, so I have my handy dandy scissors, and now we're gonna cut the lace on the wig. There's not much lace on here. Honestly, it's a pretty small piece. So I'm just gonna follow the hairline and try not to cut any hair. I'm starting at one side and I'm gonna go to the other side. Actually, no, I think I'm gonna start in the middle. Like, I'll start at the part and go side to side. This would be much easier if I had a wig head, like a styrofoam head, but I don't. One half of the lace done. All right, that took me way too long to cut the lace. We're gonna put the wig back on. All right, now we're lace free. You can't see my own edges unless I pull the wig down. But with this side, it's kind of got like these shorter pieces, almost like side bangs that kind of cover it up, so you can't even tell. All right, I've laid my own edges to make the wig seem a bit more natural, but also I'm gonna try and stick the combs in the side into my hair so that the wig stays better, because it is kind of slipping back a little bit. All right, Miss Wig is a little bit frizzy, so I'm gonna spray her with some water, and then I'm going to use some mousse to keep her waves in check. She is synthetic, so I don't want to do too much to her and have her freak out, you know. Right, I'd say Miss Wig is done. And for my first wig, I'm not mad at her. She's actually cute. I like the waves. They have a good shine to them. I like the color. The lace was a little difficult to navigate to cut for a beginner, at least like me, but wasn't that bad. Hairline doesn't look atrocious, I hope. You can't see that side, so don't watch that. But this side's not bad. It's all right. This is cute. I actually like this. I'm surprised. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my first wig video. I definitely enjoyed it. All of the information about this wig and the products I used will be in the description box below. If you have more questions, you can definitely hit me up on all my socials, which will also be in the description box. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.